No.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another assessment for LUMP CAA. We are still on diagnostics module, still on observation, diagnosis by inspection, diagnosis by looking, or diagnosis by for observation. Hello, Madam M. Ma Mercy. Merci beaucoup.
Hello po.
Okay. How about
Hello po.
Okay, can you hear me? Malinaw po?
Yes, Doc. Yes, Doc.
Okay. May pasyente ka nakita, yung tenga niya nanguluntoy na, parang nalanta na, no? Dry pa. Actually, that is not a good sign. But the question is, what is the diagnosis?
It's a poor prognosis.
Yes. Poor prognosis. But don't tell the patient that there's nothing we can do. We can say probably prolong or probably. Kaya nga ingatan nyo, tingnan nyo yung tenga nyo. Kailangan hindi siya dry, hindi siya at saka try massaging them, no, both ears. And better yet, you attend tomorrow, 5 p.m., same time. Next. Now, you saw a patient na namamaga at saka sumasakit yung middle ear. Siguro sa katutusok, no? What is your diagnosis?
It's hit in the Shaoyang channel.
Okay. We know that the Shaoyang actually involves gallbladder and the Sanjiao. Okay? So, Sanjiao. Napansin nyo, pag masyado tayong mahilig kumain ng mga saka masyadong sumasakit ang ulo natin, masyado tayong irritable, sumasakit din yung tenga natin. And we would like to make kalikot there. Next. Okay, if you see a patient with thin ears, what will be your diagnosis?
That will be Qi or blood deficiency.
Very good. Ibig sabihin, kulang siya sa nutrition, no? So pag kulang sa nutrition, kulang din sa qi. Now, you saw someone with long and full earlobes. Yung dito, oh. Ay, hilahilahin nyo na yung earlobes nyo.
This one.
So, what does that mean?
It has a strong constitution.
Very good. So that means the patient doesn't get sick often. Probably doesn't get sick at all, no? Okay.
Okay.
In contrast, you see another patient with small earlobes.
So it's the opposite. It's the poor constitution.
Very good. So this patient must be very parang pinaglihi sa sakit, no? So yung mga nakaka-relate dyan, look at your ears. Are they very small compared to your face, no? Okay. Next, we go to the lips. Okay. A patient has pale red. So obviously hindi siya nag-lipstick. Moist and shiny lips. What does this mean?
Normal, good state of spleen.
Yes, very good. So the lips will actually tell us about the condition of the spleen. Spleen is earth. Okay, so dapat hindi siya nag-lipstick or hindi pahiran mo yung lipstick niya. Now, you have a patient with pale lips. Okay, is this synonymous to,
It means
yeah, pale,
yes.
yes. What does that mean?
Yeah, it would mean young or blood deficiency.
Okay. When you say young deficiency, the patient feels cold. When you say blood deficiency, ito yung pasyente na mahirap makatulog and kulang sa dugo, no? Red and dry lips. Now remember, hindi po normal ang red na lips. Okay? It should be pink or pale red. Now, you have a patient who comes in, hindi mo nag-lipstick pero red and dry ang lips. What is the diagnosis?
It means there's a spleen or stomach heat.
Wow, very good. So, ang spleen and stomach, they're actually together all the time. Okay. Now you have a patient whose lips are purple or bluish.
It
Type
means blood stasis.
Okay, or blood stagnation. Obviously, when you look at the tongue, medyo purple din, no? The mouth is slightly open. So we will be speaking of patterns. Is this an empty pattern or a full pattern?
It's an empty pattern.
Good. So far, wala pang mali ah. Okay. Yung pasyente mo would breathe through the mouth. So nakabukas. What is the diagnosis? Actually,
It's
breathing is already very diagnostic. So we would always be considering an issue with what, Zhang, Madam M?
okay. It's lung qi deficiency.
Very good. So this is a person who is having shortness of breath and would be more comfortable if he breathes through the mouth. So nakabukas. So remember kanina, pag mouth is slightly open, nakita mo parang nakabukas parate. Empty yan. So that means deficient, no? Or weak. So this time, humihinga siya through the mouth. That's lung qi deficiency. Now, may nakita kang greenish coloration around the mouth. What is that telling us? Could the patient be suffering from something?
There could be a liver blood stasis or liver qi stagnation.
Okay. What is the difference between the two? So, obviously may pain po sila, no? But the question is, how would you know which is which, no? We all know that liver blood stasis is related to liver qi stagnation, but how do you um, differentiate one from the other?
Oh, wow.
Ay,
That
kaya
is
mo yan. Pag, pareho yan silang may pain. Now, I want you to describe the character, the nature of the pain. 'Di ba? What is the classic symptom of qi stagnation? There is
it's
distending pain.
mm,
Parang
mm,
feeling mo parang kang lumulobo tapos parang may umusli, no? Lalo na pag galit ka, stressed ka. On the other hand, when you have blood stasis, there is also pain. So, in terms
mm.
of pain, how do you differentiate? Which is
Yung,
not fixed?
yung isa po, naka-permanent, yung isa lumilipat-lipat.
So, yung liver blood stasis is fixed.
Yes.
And even
Fixed.
the character of the pain, para kang stabbing pain, no? Mm. So itong liver blood stasis, pray very hard that it's not liver cancer, no? Kaya kung ako sa inyo, tingnan nyo na yung ilalim ng dila. And by the way, yung mga gusto mag-aral ng tongue diagnosis, meron tayong libre po every Friday for as long as we are available, no? I plan
Anong
to
oras po, Doc? Anong oras po? Sa
alas
Friday?
6 po sa Friday. Alas 6. Kasi
Okay.
mukhang mas, oo. Bakit ayaw nyo din sa Pulse? Pulse din. Ang
Yes,
Pulse
maganda
naman,
din.
alas 6 din sa Wednesday. Gawin nating alas 6 to kasi I also got some comments na medyo busy pa sa work yung iba. Pero ako sa inyo, gumamit na lang kayo ng earbuds and you can probably listen.
And Doc, I have a US clients who would like to like participate, so yung oras
Yeah.
favorable sa
Oh, yeah. So it would
Opo.
be, pag 6 p.m.,
Mm.
that would be like 4 a.m., 3 a.m.
Yeah. Well, mga ganon. May DSD po sila, so mga ganon po. 3 a.m. to 4 a.m.
Welcome po
6
kayo.
would be
Welcome.
2 o'clock in the morning, Doctor. 6 o'clock. In the Philippines, it's 2 o'clock in the morning here.
Oh,
Ayun.
15 hours.
Oh, it depends kung saang state po sila.
15 hours pala.
Saan po silang, depende po.
Mm.
Opo.
Or would you like us
Mine is from
to move it to a later
Texas,
day?
and
Kung 2 a.m., so gawin natin 6 a.m., alas 10 na rin tayo dito. Ay, kaya lang yan. Tulog lang,
sakto
bawi.
naman lang.
Tulog lang ulit. Okay, balik tayo kay Madam
Sakto
M.
lang.
Madam M, for the
Opo.
benefit of those who are quite new. Okay.
Mhm.
Ito kasi nakita natin may kulay na nakapalibot sa ano to, sa bunganga niya, greenish. And every time you see that, that patient must be in pain. And according to you, that could be liver blood stasis or liver chi stagnation. So can you please summarize, or for the benefit of our guests, and of course yung mga
So,
yeah.
kasi po yung pag sinabi kaya po siya green kasi ang liver ay wood element. So
Mhm.
ang kulay niya ay green. Kaya ang manifestations niyan ay berde, lalo na sa pag nakikita natin sa mouth, which is yan ang isa sa orifice or yan yung isa sa pinakanilalabasan niya.
Mhm.
So doon natin makikita yung blood stasis. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi na gumagalaw yung dugo or yung flow niya parang stagnant, walang flow talaga. Kaya ang pain niyan ay masakit talaga at hindi lumilipat-lipat.
Okay.
Ngayon, sa liver chi stagnation, dahil alam natin, ang ibig sabihin ng chi ay puwersa, that is force. Ngayon, force na gumagalaw din siya. Ngayon, pag stagnant siya, ngayon, parang humahanap siya ng way kung saan siya lulusot. Kaya
Mhm.
ang pain niya ay palipat-lipat and masakit din. So, ang significance nila pag sinabi ng stagnate, hindi masyadong makagalaw or hindi gumagalaw, ay merong pain. Kasi naghahanap yan ng paraan kung paano sila gagalaw. So, nadidisturb lahat yung nasa paligid niya. So, may pain talaga.
Nasaan po ang pain?
Um, um, Usually, more on, more on the, sa gitna,
Right
sa
side,
middle part ng katawan.
middle part.
Mhm.
Okay. Hindi ba tayo like under the ribs, like on the right side? Anyway, I'm
Opo.
not so sure.
Maganon po.
Okay.
Maganon po.
Okay. Ito I am guilty of this before, 20 years ago. Okay. I went to the dentist and she couldn't do anything. Ano tawag doon? Root canal na lang. pero I went there because of the
Mhm.
swollen. I didn't know na this is very significant. Okay. Swollen and painful gums.
It's stomach heat.
Okay. So probably yung mga nakikinig ngayon, bakit bakit sa stomach? Can you tell them why?
Kasi yung tinatawag natin na smoky part, yung turbid na nagagaling sa
Tamakit
tiyan,
na
heat,
ulitin
paa,
gums.
doon siya, doon siya pumupunta.
Ano
Kaya
ba?
yung gum, doon tama niya sa gums.
Okay. Has it something to do with the channel distribution, the
Mm.
course? Okay.
Opo.
Oh,
Doon po siya lalo lumalabas. Yun
okay.
po yung doon po siya papunta.
So for the benefit of those who are new, can you tell them what is the difference between the channel and the organ?
Yung pong organs, yung pong mismong organ, yung channels, yung dinadalian niya.
So ibig sabihin hindi pa affected yung organ mismo. Medyo mababaw pa. Ganun.
Mababaw pa.
Okay. Okay, swollen yung gums pero hindi painful. Ano po ito?
Hindi painful. Swollen yung gums, hindi pa painful, may stomach heat lang siya. Hindi, kasi kung swollen but
Yun
not
yung
painful,
kanina.
stomach empty heat. Stomach empty heat. Pag sinabing empty heat pa empty, wala pang pain yan.
Mhm. Okay,
Namamagalang.
bakit siya tinawag
Ay,
na empty heat?
Tatawag siyang empty heat.
Hmm.
Um, Ano na ba yun? Empty heat.
Alam mo yan, madam. Di ba remember yung ano,
Nakakalito.
OT?
Nakakalito kasi yun.
Kalimutan, bawal
Yung,
makalimutan. Oo.
yung ano, minsan kasi napapabaliktad ko yung empty heat at saka yung empty cold eh.
Oh,
Pero
empty.
ang ano ko diyan, ang significance kasi diyan, pag sinabi mong empty,
Mm,
meron na siyang signs pero
mm,
hindi pa siya painful, hindi pa siya ganoon ka severe.
mm. Anong
Mm.
precursor ng empty heat? Ano yung
Mm,
condition na nag-precede sa empty heat?
ano siya, yung excess
No, kasi
um
from the term
ay
alone,
hindi,
empty. So, ibig sabihin, kulang
empty,
or deficient.
kulang.
You're looking at a condition
Nagkulang
that,
siya sa ano,
so hindi siya excess. Iba yung
hindi.
excess, di ba? So, ang tanong ngayon, paano ko mako-confirm na talagang empty heat ang stomach, stomach empty heat at hindi stomach heat or stomach fire? Actually, ito should be stomach fire, no? Rarely do we find, hindi siya masyado, kung sa bagay. Kasi syempre, mas masakit pag may fire na. Anyway, yon.
Mm,
So, di ba pag,
opo.
anong itsura ng tongue pag may empty heat of the stomach? So, you,
Ano,
yeah.
may may coatings.
No, no.
Ah,
Huwag ka ma-confuse. You should not be confused. When you say
may
empty, galing siya sa deficient.
mm,
Diba? So, ang coating ng tongue speaks a lot about the stomach chi. So, pag
mm,
nawala na po yung coating, yan na po yung tinatawag nating yin deficiency.
mm.
Di ba? Mm. Remember?
Yan,
Remember yung
yun deficient.
rootless coating? Una-una niyan, magka-waksi-waksi pa, nagkakaroon ka na ng stomach chi deficiency, stomach yin.
Mhm.
Diba? So, pag stomach yin deficiency pa lang, hindi pa red ang coating, hindi pa red yung tongue. Pero after several years, sabi ni Machocha, it would take almost 10 years for the heat to come in, no? Kaya ang tongue body ngayon, red, tapos walang coating, no?
Lang ko.
So yun yung stomach empty heat. So pag walang coating, I think this is what I have, no? Not painful, pero my gums were swollen, they were also bleeding.
Mhm.
Next, pale gums.
It's a blood deficiency.
Yes. Moist teeth. Ano ibig sabihin pag moist yung teeth natin?
Ano po, good state of kidneys.
Okay. So for the benefit of everyone, can you tell them, every time na nalalaglag na yung mga ngipin natin, that is a sign of what?
Ah, ano na siya, yung kidney essence niya bumabagsak na.
Okay. Ngayon, kung dry ang teeth, ano naman ibig sabihin nito? Like, ano
Ano
naman
po,
ito?
kidney in deficiency. Kulang na po sa nourishment yung teeth niya from
Yes,
the
yes, right.
kidney.
And bakit kaya nagiging deficient ang kidney yin ng mga tao? Can you give us um, an example? Kasi nakita natin yan sa ang mga anong klaseng tao. Yung bang
Usually,
hmm,
pag sinabi mong kidney yin deficiency,
hmm,
kulang na yung kanyang nourishment. Isa na dyan nga yung
hmm,
yung sangip. Kasi since kidney governs the bones,
hmm,
nandyan na po siya nandyan na po sa bones ang kanyang mga symptoms. Lalo na pagka kulang sa nourishment. Pag sinabi natin yin kasi, yan ang nag-nourish. So since it's kidney yin, yung nutrition from the kidney is depleting. Kaya yung ginogovern niya na mga parts ng katawan natin, especially the bones,
hmm.
nagdi-deteriorate dahil kulang na sa nourishment from the kidneys. Especially yan, katulad yan, isa na yan si dry.
Na-deplete na yung yin. Ibig
Nag-deplete na
sabihin, yung work niya siguro dati puro planning, puro overwork, puro
mm,
mental, di ba? Nauubos din.
wala, ubos na yung kanyang, yung kanyang shell
Okay. Kung yung trabaho natin more on physical, let's say nabubuhat ng mga, ano ba to, nag-aaral sa
Mabibigat.
bukid, nagbubuhat ng mga bibigat, alin sa palagay nyo ang mas akma? Kidney yin deficiency or kidney yang deficiency?
It's the kidney yang deficiency.
Very good. So yung mga CEO, yung mga puro ang daming, puro,
Mm,
puro utak ng gamit, that's, yes.
kidney
Now,
yin.
nakita mo yung ngipin niya masyadong bright and very dry.
Mm. Heat in Yang Ming.
Okay. Can you tell us, ano ba yung Yang Ming na yan? We all know that
Ano
Yang
yun?
Ming is bright young. Can you tell us,
Bright
yeah,
yang.
ano
Yan
yung,
yung doon sa nabasa ko kung saan nanggaling yung heat in Yang Ming, yung part siya ng febrile disease noong
Mm,
unang panahon nung ginagawa pa lang nila yung libro ng acupuncture.
mm,
Ngayon yung Yang Ming,
mm.
kulang ako sa basa. So hindi ko siya mapaliwanag to.
Actually, it's stomach and large intestine, di ba?
Mm.
Ito kasi yung
Mm.
talagang, kasi una-una, di ba, pag andun ka pa sa um,
Yang.
bladder and small, ito yung Taiyang channel, no? Bladder and
Mm.
small intestine. Yung fever mo, parehong may aversion to cold at saka may fever, 'di ba? So pag nag-ano ka na kasi, pag nakapasok na siya, no? Affected na si stomach and LI, yung fever, ngayon yung pasyente hindi na siya hindi na siya wala na siyang aversion to cold, huhubaran niya na yung sarili niya. Hindi na siya magkukumot kasi mainit na. Kaya mayroon ng febrile disease. Meron din tayong tinatawag na, yung sinabi mo kanina, yung heat in Shaoyang.
Oh,
Okay?
yeah.
Yun naman, alternating, no? Ang chills and fever. Alternating. Ibig sabihin, ito yung nangyayari dahil hindi mo na fully eradicate yung pathogen or hindi mo talaga nasugpo yung problema. Okay? So ito, febrile disease, ito na yung talagang may problema na. Okay? Okay, tumingin ka sa pharynx niya, tapos deep red. What does this mean?
Exterior or interior heat.
Okay, very good. Simple lang. Pag deep, take note, this is deep red, no? Ngayon, kung pale red naman,
Empty heat po.
okay, so ibig sabihin, yung heat nanggaling sa yin deficiency. Okay? Kanina, nanggaling ito sa excess. So you will expect the
Excess.
coating to be thick and yellow. Samantala, ito naman, no coating.
No.
Okay. Punta tayo sa, okay, sumakit yung throat mo acutely, tapos may redness and swelling. Anong pattern po ito?
Invasion of wind heat.
Okay. So, pag nagsusore throat ka, swelling of the throat, redness, no? That's wind heat invasion. Of course, these are not the only symptoms that you would see, but
Mhm.
with regards to the throat, we could already tell ano yung diagnosis. Okay.
Okay.
Ngayon, yung pain niya chronic, matagal na nandoon. And syempre, compared to acute, ito yung pain na manageable na. Parang naging part na ng buhay mo. Okay? So chronic pain, tuloy-tuloy yung pain, pero dull, pero red, tolerable pala. Tapos red and swollen pa rin yung throat. Ano naman po ito?
That is stomach heat po.
Okay. Stomach heat. See? So you will have to also consider checking the pulse, no? Chronically sore and dry throat. Hindi naman siya swollen or red. So, okay, ito pa lang
That could be,
given na, no?
opo,
Hindi siya swollen or red.
opo,
Yeah.
not swollen or red. Lung, kidney, lung or kidney yin deficiency with empty heat.
Yeah. There are people who always complain of this symptom, no? Chronically sore and dry. Pero pag tiningnan mo yung throat niya, hindi naman siya swollen.
Wala na.
So you will be looking at the lung and kidney. Next, yung throat niya is pale red.
It's empty heat affecting the lung or kidney channels.
Okay. So, may clue na tayo. Pag pale, empty yan, pale red. Now, erosion. May konting sugat, no? Pero nag-heal to. Tapos redness and swelling of the throat.
That is full heat in stomach and intestines.
Hindi ba toxic heat?
Oh, I see.
Mhm. Erosion na yan, remember. Ibig sabihin
Erosion.
infection, di ba? Nagkasugat.
Mm. Mhm. Meron na pala.
Sige lang,
Okay
baka
po.
ako mali. Joke. Chronic
Okay po,
erosion.
okay.
Paki-double check lang.
I-check ko po ulit.
You have the same answer, Ma'am
Toxic heat.
Trix. Si Ma'am Trix
Toxic.
pa yung taga-epic at
Toxic heat.
Toxic heat.
Ako.
mali na
Toxic
naman.
heat ako mali. I'll read up again.
Is your answer toxic heat also?
Toxic heat. Toxic
Okay.
heat.
Let's
Naku,
consider
mali
your
na akong
answer, Madam M. Your answer was stomach?
Full heat in stomach and intestines yung sa akin.
Which number? Which number?
Would you get erosion if you have full heat? Kasi when you talk about it, like kanina sa webinar, when you have erosion kasi meron ka ng infection. Mm. Sige,
Also,
let's double check.
I need to double check this.
Yes. Now let's go
Mukhang mali.
Toxic heat siya.
Alam ko medyo sumama yung loob mo, Madam M.
Hindi, kasi may mali na ako.
Okay lang.
Nagkaroon ako ng
Ganun naman, tao lang naman tayo. Diba? Ako nga
Pero
din,
hindi,
pamali
at least
yung akin. Okay, sige,
At
go.
least yan ang matatandaan ko.
Oo. Kailangan meron talagang meron talagang mag-correct. No? Kasi baka malay nyo, mali
Yes.
nasabi ko sa chronic
Mas
erosion.
matanda ko. Chronic erosion of the throat comes and goes with yun, empty heat pa rin
Yeah.
yung sagot ko.
Empty heat.
Mm.
Comes and goes eh. Ito naman, chronic dryness and erosion of the throat with grayish ulcers.
Civilian deficiency.
Oh yeah. May ulcers, grayish ulcers na. Chronic erosion of the throat with ulcers that are raised.
Blood stasis with phlegm heat.
Wow. Matindi. Talagang well-researched. Now, yung tonsil swollen pero normal yung kulay.
Ano po siya? Damp phlegm retention with Qi deficiency.
Okay. We have an issue, especially sa mga di ba mga bata. Usually pinapatanggal yung tonsils. What is your take on that? Siguro, yeah.
No. For me, hindi siya pwedeng tanggalin. Kasi yun yung sumasalo or pumifilter sa lahat ng mga pathogens eh. So
Okay.
kung wala na yun, dire-diretso na siya
Oo.
sa loob ng
And usually nagkakaproblema sa puso. Totoo ba yun?
Opo. Possible po. Kasi yun ang pinakamalapit
Pag
eh.
tumanda na. So,
Part kasi siya ng lung, so affected na si heart.
So, alam niyo mo mga bata ngayon, no? Puro matatamis, malalamig. No? So, and usually umiiyak yan sila, lalo na pag, yun, may retention.
Grabe.
Oo.
Very common po sa kanilang tonsillitis.
Yes. So, siguro, we need to learn how to needle the children.
Ay, opo. Ay, medyo mahirap po. Takot sila eh. Pero, we'll find a way.
Yeah, ear seeds. Okay. Chronically
seeds.
red and swollen tonsils.
Heat or toxic heat often in the stomach and large intestine channels.
If you notice, pag may swelling na, may toxicity na siya talaga, no? Grabe na yung Ito naman, acutely red. So the key word here is acute. Red and
Acute.
swollen. Madaling ano lang, konting very recent lang, no? Sudden.
Opo. As it's invasion of wind heat with accompanying toxic heat.
Okay. Kasi nga swollen na yung tonsil.
Tonsil.
Ito naman chronic. So definitely you cannot answer an wind heat here, invasion. So this has to be something that has been there for quite some time, no? So count
Opo.
and goes nga, gumagaling, tapos
Pabalik.
balik.
Papatik.
Okay.
Opo.
Ano kaya ang problem?
Either chronic heat in stomach or large intestine channels or empty heat in the lung channel.
Okay. Parang pumapalibot-palibot lang siya. Nakita nyo?
Umiikot-ikot po siya doon.
Ikot lang. Kasi ganito lang po yan. Tingnan nyo ha. Yung stomach pati large intestine, ano yan, yangming, no? Tapos, interior-exterior partner naman ni large intestine si lung. We might as well include the spleen, right? Oo. Kasi spleen is the partner of the lung.
The lungs.
Yeah. Ano, the same polarity sila. They're called the thigh.
Stomach.
Yes.
Thigh.
Na ngayon, mayroon kang tonsils na acutely red. Acute, ha? So, ibig sabihin, bagong-bago pa lang. Tapos, may exudate.
Ayun. Yun na yung wind heat. Complicated with toxic heat in stomach and large intestine channel.
Okay. So, talagang nag-fever to, siguro. Kasi, tingnan mo, involved na yung yangming. Now,
Yangming.
So, this is the time you really have to give antibiotics. Grayish tonsils.
Wow. Grayish tonsils, acute stage of glandular fever or mononucleosis.
Yeah, infectious mononucleosis. Hindi naman masyadong common yan siguro sa atin. Wala pa ako nakitang. Okay, swelling of the limbs. Nakita mo yung limbs swollen. All four limbs.
All four limbs, it's called like dump B.
Yes, because when all four limbs are swollen, you would be looking at spleen-yang deficiency. No? So, of course, there is dampness. And P is a painful obstruction. So, I think we will be looking at yung lifestyle ng pasyente or yung exposure sa damp weather, especially ngayon. No? Next, swelling of the limbs with joints that are red and hot to touch.
That's damp heat.
Yes. So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-red na yung joints, wow. Have you seen patients like this, Madam?
Yes. May client po akong ganyan sa knee talaga. And he was diagnosed of osteoarthritis. Pero sobra talaga pag hinawakan yung knee, sobrang init.
Init. So, heat na
mainit
heat.
talaga.
So, pag swelling, damp.
Damp. Masyado namang halata sa kanyang matindi yung dampness niya kasi bilog ang tiyan, bilog ang muka. Tapos, yung mga hands and feet parehas na. So, that's spleen.
Yes.
Kasi kung palang, that's kidney lang. So, kung kamay lang, that's lungs lang sana. Pero both almost lahat. So, that's a spleen.
Pitting edema of the hands.
That's lung-yang deficiency.
What do you mean by pitting edema?
When you press it, there's yung hindi agad bumabalik yung dented na area ng skin.
Okay.
Upon pressing.
Do we also expect the hand to be cold?
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Pitting edema naman of the feet.
That's kidney-yang deficiency.
Mm-hmm. Galing. Pitting edema of all four limbs.
Ayun, spleen-yang deficiency.
That's why you have super dampness and phlegm problem, no? So makikita mo rin yung tongue din niya, di ba? So ang ganda, nakita mo na kaagad sa labas. At tingnan ko yung dila, Tapos feel mo rin yung pulse.
Nako-confirm.
Oh, yes.
Minsan po kasi yung symptoms sa labas. Hindi na, tapos pag tinignan sa dila, ay hindi pareha. So, dun ka matitest kung saan ba talaga siya nanggagaling. So, the tongue tells the truth than the symptoms. Kasi symptoms can vary many kinds of differentiation.
Yeah, we can also monitor the progress, no? Pwede natin
Opo.
makita kung may ano ba, may nangyayari ba sa pinagagawa mo.
Opo. Kasi ang isang sintomas, hindi lang sa isang sakit yun eh.
Totoo.
Kaya pagka sa tongue kasi, mas nagiging specific kung
Hmm.
saan nanggagaling yung symptoms.
Yes. Now, let's go to this one. Non-peating. Edema of the
Non-peating.
forelimbs.
That's chi stagnation.
Okay. Shall we also consider dampness? Lalo na pag, di ba usually pag galing ka ng ano, like mainit, yung weather na mabigat or malamig. Di ba minsan sa Baguio, nagsusulat ng itim?
Ay, yung mukha. Kaya mga tao doon, bilog ang mukha. Yung dito, yung
So dampness, would be damp heat or damp. Pero number one, really, chi stagnation. Acute edema of the hands and face.
That's wind or wind water invading lungs.
Posible ba ito pag nagbabaha? O nauulanan?
Yung pong ano, yung mga labandera po na maghapon sila yung feet nila nagbasang-basa all day and hands, may ganyan po sila.
Okay. Flaccidity of the limbs.
Lung heat, injuring body fluids, it may be acute, spleen and stomach damp heat, possible, spleen and stomach deficiency or kidney deficiency.
Okay. Rigidity of the limbs.
Ayun. Invasion of external wind, acute, liver young rising, liver wind sa elderly, B syndrome with dampness and phlegm, rigidity accompanied by swelling and pain of the joints, phlegm with internal wind in the channels, inability to flex joints in elderly, blood stasis, rigidity accompanied by pain in joints or muscles worse at night, sa gabi lang, and liver and kidney yin deficiency, spleen and kidney yang deficiency.
Wow. Kompleto.
Complex.
Rigidity of the limbs, tapos may swelling and joint pain. This is also very common.
Opo, may obstruction or the B syndrome with damp and phlegm.
Okay. Rigidity of limbs, inability to flex joints in the elderly.
Yun. Phlegm with internal wind
Yeah.
in the channels.
Okay. This is easy to treat, right?
Opo, pag sa matanda. Wind po kasi. Superficial.
Rigidity of the limbs with pain in the joints or muscles, worse at night.
Oh, blood stasis po.
Okay. You should always ask this. Mas malala ba pag gabi? Kasi pag gabi, hindi tayo gumagalaw. Hindi mo nakahiga lang. Tapos nawawala yan pag bumangon na. Okay, patterns for paralysis of the limbs.
Spleen and stomach deficiency, chi and blood deficiency, liver and kidney yin deficiency, dampness in the muscles, blood stasis, phlegm and internal wind in the channels.
Wow. So, kung nakikita nyo, nangunguna po yung spleen and stomach death, no? And also chi and blood. Siyempre, pag may edad na, liver and kidney yin deficiency talaga. Kaya kailangan talaga mag-walking, no? Contraction of the limbs.
Contraction of the limbs, invasion of wind, acute, dampness in muscles, heat injuring fluids in the muscles, and liver blood and liver yin deficiency.
Wow. Tremor of the hands.
Liver wind.
Okay. Tremor of the forelimbs in the elderly.
Yeah. Liver wind and phlegm affecting the channels and liver kidney yin deficiency.
Okay. Congratulations, Madam M.
Yes. May isang mali. Yung gitna-gitna ko.
Alam ko sumama yung loob, may isang mali. Okay.
Hindi ko makakalimutan yung mag ganon. Kaya okay lang.
Ano mo kami ang mali? Okay, thank you so much.
Hindi. Opo. Thank you so
Nag-enjoy
much.
ba kayo, Madam M? It's okay.
Opo. Medyo kinabahan lang kasi daming audience.
Okay lang yun. Tao lang naman tayo. Di naman nila alam siguro. Joke.
Hindi, kailangan kasi malaman nila yung kung ano yung
Natatawa si
tama.
natatawa si Sir Patrick.
Nahiya na naman ako, baka mamaya sabihin ko mali, di mas misinform sila, nakakahiya sa kanila.
Kailangan naman may mali din, di ba? Akala nila
At least matatanda. Apo.
Maraming salamat, Madam M.
Thank you din
Now
po.
let's
Thank you
proceed to
po.
Madam Trix. Let's go to Sampaloc. From Pasig, we go to Sampaloc to
Hello.
good afternoon
Good
pa.
afternoon, Doc.
Okay. Fine tremors in women.
It's liver wind from liver blood deficiency.
Yeah, I remember I had a 72-year-old patient. Ano pa siya? Single. Tapos, meron siyang ka-chat sa, kasi iba sa abroad. So, she had to be awake from 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. So, she had these tics, fine tremors. So, yun. Hanggang sa yung kama niya, ang dami niyang, 1/4 na lang yung ino-occupy niya. Nahulog siya sa kama, so namatay siya.
Wow.
Yun. But she had this problem. Kaya, try to be asleep by 1 or 11 p.m. Basta before 1. So I remember she would tell me, kasi she was still hoping to get married. So talagang siya. Parang sabi niya, parang niloloko lang naman ako. So, hindi pa nga kayo nagkikita. So,
Siyempre.
sumalangit na wag kaluluwa niya. So she had liver wind. Take note, with liver blood deficiency tayo, we can have liver wind.
Yes.
Yun din siguro yung reason bakit pag tuyo ka, madaling magkaroon ng wind. Just like, siguro nun alam nyo may nangyari sa LA.
Opo.
Yes.
Liver po kasi, di ba, wood element, and the wood element that creates wind. Yun yung element.
Oh, yeah. And you have like forest fires there. Grabe, no?
Ay, grabe. Ang daming artista
Bakit ba
ng
lumapas
bahay.
pa yung Ang pinakamura doon na bahay doon, $10 million. Pinakamura yun, Yung mga kotse sa niya.
Napanood ko kagabi sa WBC.
Depressing.
Yung mga artista, dami.
So, paano
Dalawang bahay.
Baka may bahay doon
Dalawang
sa
bahay.
Gavino.
Si Paris Hilton, dalawa yung bahay niya sunog doon eh. Laki-laki.
Hindi ko pa man nakita yung Palisades doon. Diyos ko, sunog na. Okay.
Sayang. Hindi natin naabutan.
Imagine mo na lang. Okay. Ma'am Trix, mild fine tremor of the limbs.
Qi and blood deficiency.
Okay. So when you have that, just try to correct the qi and blood deficiency. Spasticity of the limbs.
It's liver wind or empty wind from yin deficiency.
Okay, spastic.
Spasticity.
Nauubos yung yin eh. Dahil yeah. Bluish venules of the thenar eminence.
It's cold in the stomach.
Oh.
Yeah.
Meron ako.
So nako-cold ka?
Yeah.
Cold ba dyan?
Cold in stomach. Meron pala ako.
Cold in stomach.
Alam nyo naman saan yung thenar eminence? Tapos na tayo sa anatomy, di ba?
Thenar.
Hindi pa. Pero alam ko na kung saan.
Ngayon, bluish pero maiikli yung venules.
It's empty pattern.
Yeah. Kulang. Red venules of the thenar eminence.
It's stomach heat.
Ay, kaya pala yung mga ibang pasyente na may Pula yung ano nila, yung dito, yung thinner eminence. Tingnan nyo. Yung pag purple venules, oh my God, this is like storm. Okay.
Mhm.
Kasi ano, bakit umabot sa stomach? Kasi abot-abot dyan yung ano eh,
Purple is blood stasis
intestine, stomach.
in stomach.
Yes. Dry skin.
It's liver blood deficiency.
Okay. Itchy skin.
Wind
Pitting edema. Repeat.
is kidney yang deficiency.
Very good. Non-pitting.
Chi stagnation.
Automatic na yan, ha? Pag ano, na-stress.
Non
Bright yellow skin.
yang jaundice from damp heat.
Okay, but before we continue, di ba nag-attend ka ng wellness mission, Ma'am Trix? Did you
Yes.
patients, did you find this very useful when you...
There's one there na may jaundice siya.
Okay. So, anong klaseng jaundice? Yin jaundice, yang jaundice?
Yang,
Okay.
according to Sir Albert.
Okay. Galing ni Sir Albert, memorize.
Hindi.
Mhm.
So, yang jaundice. So, may damp heat.
Yes.
Lamis ko
Most,
yun.
actually, most, hindi, yung half,
Mm.
yung second part nung afternoon, half nung patients is
Mm.
no coating sila. Pero kasi mahilig daw sa spicy foods.
Okay.
Yung mga
Yeah.
pagtinatanong. Pero the rest
Kaya.
is most of them are damp.
Okay. So, halos pare-pareho ba problema?
Yes, sa joints usually or sa back, neck pain,
Okay.
usually
Mm.
sa knee pain yan. Yung mga
Balik-balik lang, no?
yes.
Happy naman.
Yeah.
Happy ka rin. Sige,
Namiss ko yan
mag-everyday ka na
eh.
mag-wellness kasi ano na ngayon, malapit na.
Nabisi
Election
ako
period
eh.
na ngayon eh.
Hindi ako nakasama. Next
Meron
time.
This Friday, Saturday, or Sunday ata meron ulit.
Okay.
Oh no.
I'm sure next time yan, everyday na yan. Yellow skin. Uy, sabihin nyo naman, mag-train naman sila mag-ear seed. Okay, dull yellow skin.
Yin jaundice from damp cold.
Okay. Red venules in the skin.
It's blood heat,
Yes. Purple venules in the skin.
blood stasis,
Galing. Green venules in the skin.
pain,
So there must be liver blood
blood
stasis.
stasis. There's
Blue
pain.
venules on the skin.
Cold in blood.
Papules. You know what are papules, diba?
Yes.
Okay.
It's lung or stomach heat.
Okay. Yeah. So, lung, stomach, because lung, large intestine, stomach, spleen. Lung and spleen are related. What goes on the skin?
It's dampness.
Macules on the skin.
Ano ba to? Blood disharmony.
Yes.
Mm.
May problema sa...
Red blood, purple blood stasis, bluish as cold in blood.
What are macules?
Yung parang freckles.
Okay.
Tama.
Hindi siya raised, hindi siya
Yeah,
elevated.
it's not raised. Parang
Parang yung
Blood-
rashes na.
hindi, parang siyang
Namula.
Rashes niya
Tapos
daw na
flat.
food.
pero parang freckles. Siya.
Oo.
Diba?
Freckles na
Blood
blood.
level. Ayusin mo yung blood. Okay, let's go to 5-element facial diagnosis. Where is the, like, if you're going to assess the heart issue using 5 elements on the face, where will you look?
It's a forehead area.
Okay. Liver.
On the left cheek.
Okay, don't ask na lang why, ha? Siguro ganun talaga pag sa Chinese. Nasa left yung liver.
Yung liver.
Left cheek.
Hindi, baka
Mhm.
for the face lang.
The lung.
The lungs is on the right cheek.
Okay. This is true. Find someone who is a heavy smoker. Tingnan mo sa right niya, may makikita ka talagang mga mga skin lesions. Basta iba yung texture ng skin.
Kaya pala, hindi
Spleen.
rin nagpapantay yung mukha.
Mm.
Spleen.
Spleen is on the tip of the nose.
Okay.
Tip of nose.
Kidney.
Kidneys on the chin area.
Okay, very easy. Now, ito, you have to tell us, this is just, ito naman spiritual axis, no? Based on the book called Spiritual Axis. This
Yes.
is the facial diagnosis. Let's start with the forehead.
The forehead's on the head or face.
Between eyebrows.
Throat, lungs, and heart.
Okay. Between the eyes.
The chest and breast.
Bridge of the nose.
Liver.
Tip. Ay, tapos na yung tip.
Tip, yes, it's spleen.
Upper lip.
Upper lip is bladder and
The
uterus.
chin.
Chin is upper thigh.
Okay. Iba pala yung dito, no? Yung kanina. Okay. Beside the bridge of the nose.
It's gallbladder and stomach. Small
Small
intestine.
intestine. Beside the nostrils.
It's stomach.
Beside the
Above,
nostrils laterally.
large intestine.
Under the cheekbones.
It's kneecap.
Okay. Either side of the chin.
It's tibia or feet.
Okay. Kidney.
Shin bone.
Double check lang natin. Iba yata ang sige, di bale. Hello, Sir Mark. Dito pala si Sir Mark. Ito yung si Mr. Pangasinan.
Iba nga yan, Doc, sa amin, ano? It's different.
Oo.
Ay, iba. Iba nga. Okay. Anyway, iba-iba kasi yung sources, di bale na. At least, ano tayo.
Dali na lang, dali na lang.
Info.
Si doktor yan, si doktor.
Ay,
Ang dog ha.
sige po. Hello, Ma'am Elvira. Okay. Anong importance of observing the constitutional traits?
Kabato.
The tendency to certain disharmonies when the pathology develops.
Oh,
So basically, you would already know what particular disharmony
Disharmony,
leaning towards to, di ba?
yes. And then observation of constitutional types traits to give the patient an appropriate treatment.
Yes. So pag wala kang knowledge about hindi ka sure about your treatment. Next.
And then deviation or conformity of the patient to give an idea of the severity of a problem and proper prognosis.
Yes, you can forecast future
Forecast.
disharmony. And
And to predict and prevent future disharmonies.
okay. So yan na po So aralin natin. There's a book on 5-element constitutional acupuncture. Now, let's
Dapat
go
lang
to Wood.
dito sa
Tell us, can you summarize a Wood person?
A wood person would have
A Wood body type, not the person.
body type, would have greenish complexion, a small head, straight back. They're tall, intelligent, hard workers, long face, and broad shoulders. Sinewy body, small hands and feet, poor physical strength, worrisome and overthinkers.
Okay, but they are very hardworking.
Hardworking.
What about fire? The fire body type.
The fire body type would have a red complexion, a wide teeth, pointed small head, well-developed shoulder muscles, curly hair or not much hair, small hands and feet, keen thinkers, walking briskly,
Yeah.
quick, energetic, and active, short-tempered, overthinkers, worrisome, and have a good spirit.
The only thing I could remember aside from the complexion is they walk briskly.
Briskly.
Mabilis talaga sila lumakad. Earth.
Um, Earth. Earth is they have a yellowish complexion, a round face, wide jaws, well-developed shoulders and muscles, curly hair or not much hair, a large head, small hands and feet, walking briskly also, not calm and generous, not over ambitious, easy to get along with. They have a steady character and likes helping people.
Okay. The only thing I remember is the large abdomen. Everything is large. Malaki yung ulo, malaki yung mukha. Yun. Malaki yung mga tapa.
Mm.
Metal.
Metal, they have a pale complexion, a square face, a small head, small shoulders and upper back, a flat abdomen, a strong voice, keen thinkers. They move swiftly and they have a difficulty keeping still.
Okay. Usually metal. The only thing I remember about metal is they have pale complexion and they
Flat.
have broad shoulders. Actually, sila yung kinukuhang pang model. Can you relate?
Oh.
Okay.
Kung maliit yung mukha mo, ulo mo.
Hindi.
Okay. Parang naiiyak yung boses. Okay. Water.
Water, they have a dark complexion, a wrinkly skin,
Mhm.
narrow shoulders, large abdomen, a large head, broad cheeks, long spine, sympathetic, laid back, good negotiators. They're loyal and sensitive.
I don't know pero most of these people na water, medyo nakakalbo. Pero wala dyan. Oo, pero siguro hindi masyado siya Anyway, this
Pero
is body type.
pwede combination naman siguro, Doc.
Okay, actually, it's
the-
very difficult to have only one element. It's usually, like napansin ko, ang water, ang wood, may metal component talaga.
Oh.
I
Okay.
see.
If you have weakness or stiffness in the sinews, what does this indicate?
Liver disharmony,
Good. Hardening of blood vessels.
heart disharmony,
Okay. Weakening or flaccidity of muscles.
spleen disharmony,
Wow. Flaccid skin or flaccid skin.
lung qi deficiency,
Brittle bones.
kidney deficiency,
Barrel chest or epigastrium.
lung and stomach in full condition.
Yeah. Usually, meron ka talagang makikitang plemas.
Phlegm.
Tapos tulo lang.
Tulo
Okay.
lang.
Overweight thighs.
Spleen deficiency,
Thin body.
yin deficiency,
Overweight body.
yang deficiency.
Excess movement.
It's yang, full or heat.
Lack of movement.
Yin, empty, cold.
Quick movements with heat or feeling of heat.
Yang, excess.
Yeah, they move fast and they feel hot. Slow movement, feeling
It's yang deficiency.
very good. Small movements, continuous fidgeting in the legs. I'm sure I've seen patients like this.
Yeah,
Especially-
yung mga pag naiihi. Diba? Diba nag-fidget?
Anong diagnosis yan?
Empty heat in kidneys.
Okay, so yin deficiency so this is definitely yin deficiency. Usually ito yung mga payat. Wala akong nakitang malalaki yung Thai na gumagawa nito. So yin deficiency with empty heat, kidney yin. Tremors, convulsions.
It's liver wind or empty wind.
Okay. Liver wind, full wind, fine tremors and tics, liver wind, empty wind. Paralysis.
Interior wind and
Okay.
phlegm.
Usually phlegm ang cause. Stiffness
Yeah.
and rigidity.
Internal wind or liver wind or blood stasis.
And also chi stagnation.
Cheese stagnation.
Oh, hair falling out.
Kidney deficiency in
Wow.
blood.
May
Blood
taod siya.
deficiency.
May blood.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Patulugin na natin si Dr. Gavino kasi alam
Nakakahiya magkamali.
nakakahiyain doon ko.
Oo nga po eh.
Nakaka-pressure.
Pinapapuyat na nakaka-pressure tuloy. Buti na lang tulog. Hello, Ma'am. Thank you so much, Ma'am Trix. I hope you had fun.
Yes,
Yeah.
Doc. Thank you.
Yeah. So, can we ask the people, like Ma'am Elvira, may natutunan ba kayo?
Doc, very busy ang mga kamay ko po. Nag-jot down. Tapos
Napansin
nandito
ko
yung
nga.
napakaganda.
Oo, halata. Di bale. So, we will meet again on Thursday. Huwag kayong magsawa, ha? Bilisan na
Thursday.
natin para pag-usapan na natin yung graduation. So, ano ba to? Number 4 will be on Thursday. You already have the materials. And by the way, join us tomorrow po, ha, Ma'am. I promise, Ma'am Elvira, we will not call you, okay? Oo. I-message mo lang ako kung alam nyo na yung sagot.
Doc, paano to Doc, yung complete na ano, Doc? I am just jotting down.
Ano po?
Meron pa dito sa
You're just jotting down. You have a lot of things to jot down, actually.
Ang
Okay.
dami.
Oo.
Libro.
Sige na, paulit-ulit lang naman yan eh. Okay, let's ask Sir Patrick. Sir Patrick, hello po. Can you... Marami ba kayo natutunan? Hello, sir. Di ba? iPhone 16. Ilagay niyo... Okay.
Hello, Doc.
Hello, Sir Patrick.
Hello, Doc. Okay, Doc.
Kumusta?
Dami,
Bisaya-
Doc. Dami. Oo.
Oo.
Nakita na tayo dun sa, sa Pasay tayo ni Mark at saka ni Jan.
Ay, ikaw ba? Bakit iba yung itsura mo pag Zoom? Mukhang malaki ka. Ay, oo, Sir Patrick. Yeah, I know you. Yeah, of course. Iba yung itsura mo. Ano
Oo, doon
ba
tayo
yan? Naka-filter ba yan?
Hindi, Doc.
Good to see you, Sir Patrick.
Okay, Doc. Thank you, Doc. Thank
Join
you,
kayo
thank you,
bukas,
Daddy.
ha? Invite kayo na marami bukas.
Oo, hindi ako makapasok, Doc. Palagi na ako ng ang problema lang, hindi ako nakapasok. Ngayon lang ako nakapasok.
Sige, para lahat ng mga natin, i-Sharia compliant na. Nag-ano ka ba sa ano? Okay. Thank you, Sir Patrick.
Thank you talaga. Thank you talaga, Doc. Thank you talaga.
Hindi na kita nakilala. Akala ko sino artista galing sa labas. Okay.
Okay, Doc.
So, thank you so much, everyone. We would like to invite you again tomorrow. Huwag kayong magsasawa. Tomorrow, 5 o'clock. No? Medyo matindi. Nakapasok na ba kayo sa Telegram channel?
Yes po, Doc.
Okay.
Doc.
Nasagot nyo na yung 100 questions.
Sinasagutan pa lang, Doc.
Okay, sagutan nyo na ngayon. Sige, mabuti maaga tayo matatapos. So, sana po nakakatulong. We will try to integrate lahat, yung nag-aaral ng CAA to ear.
Yes,
Thank you
yes,
so
Doc.
much. Nagsusosyalan na lang tayo dito. See you
Okay,
tomorrow. Maraming salamat
Sige
po, Sir Patrick.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Ma'am
Doc.
M.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you,
Everyone.
General Mercy.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you sa lahat.
Oo. Good night.
Bonne nuit.
Oo.
Night, Doc.
Yeah.
Bonne nuit, Solomon.
Onabi ba yun? O sige.
Bonne nuit.
I-google ko
Good
pa
night.
sana yung good morning
Thank you sa
sa...
lahat. Bye-bye.
Good
Bye-bye
morning
po. Thank you.
Bonjour lang po.
Bye-bye po. Ingat. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.
A bientôt. See you soon.
Whatever. Bye-bye. Thank you.